Today we there with
Almighty Fire Official.
I go ask you a question, Miss Official. What your experience dating a Jamaican man?
Well, dating a Jamaican man, what I can see so far, Jamaican mans are not awakened. They are not awakened to manifest anything good. So all of what them are do is just because they are sleeping. They are not awakened because finding real woman and using and hurting you real woman, that no make no sense. If you find a real girl, you just deal with her proper. You understand? So Jamaican men no say these are the real message this morning. Invest in women or girls where we invest in businesses. When I invest in a woman, we pretty up and fix up every day. We all fix up and pretty up, and me fix up and dolly down. But at the same time, invest in women where will invest your money back. Now invest in woman where invest in hairstyle and nails only. Okay, men? So when you find a real woman, just deal with her real. I just that me have to say too no. Cause most of no Jamaican man, who don't know a real woman. Cause look like you still asleep, you don't wake. I just that message this morning, so now listen carefully. Or if you know a real woman, by her fruits you will know her. Alright, a real woman will stand up for you in your softness and in your hardness. She will do there. A real woman will wash your clothes, no matter what, cook. A real woman should have to have something on the table without talking about you put baby on the table. It's no baby. Baby is family. Put it on the table is food, put in something. So if you have a woman, she must can invest evil herself in you by evil spending around. So men, let me tell you this, you alone can't spend because at the end of the day, you're going to end up pauperized. So you have to have a woman where we help spend with you. It's the truth.